With Sync 3, you have the option to use CarPlay or Android Auto, which lets you mirror all your favourite apps from your phone on your in-car display. It's brilliant and it couldn't be easier to get started. Here's what you need to know. All you need to do to get started is plug your phone into your car's USB port using your existing lightning cable. Then you just need to follow the prompts, allowing the car and CarPlay access to each other, and then you're up and running with access to maps, music from Apple Music or Spotify, your phone with all your contacts and recent calls, and you'll even be able to use Siri with the press of a button. It really is that easy to get started using all your favourite apps on your in-car display. Join us next week for more tips, tricks and useful information to help you get the most out of your new Ford. Goodbye.